Let me ask you a question. This chart looks strong. Higher highs, higher lows. Would you buy it? Let me show you in different time frame. The same stock is clearly in a downtrend. Same stock, same day. So, which chart is telling the truth? So far, we've learned how to identify trends, support and resistance, structure, breakouts, and pullbacks. Today, we're going to zoom out and we'll identify the actual trend. Imagine looking at a single tree and try to understand the whole forest. That's exactly what happens when you use only one time frame. Look at this chart. Chart showing downtrend in daily time frame, uptrend in 4-hour time frame, and downtrend again in 1-hour time frame. Here's your challenge. Which chart would you check first? 15-minute or daily? Professionals usually start with a bigger picture. Then they zoom in. The higher time frame tells you the story. The lower time frame shows you the details. Let's test your eyes. Here's the 1-hour chart. What story is it telling? Now, switch to the daily chart. Looks bearish, right? But now you know why. Context matters. One time frame shows a chapter. Multiple time frames tell the whole story. The next time you open a chart, don't ask, what is this candle doing? Ask, what is the bigger trend? That one habit will completely change how you read charts. If you're learning chart reading from scratch, subscribe to the Chart Reader. Next episode, we'll learn how to identify the most important turning points on every chart. Swing highs and swing lows. Until then, read the chart, understand the story. Remember, indicators can help you make decisions, but price tells you the story.